P block elements. Group 17 elements. Group 17 elements are called as halogens, and all these elements are colored. Group 17 elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Fluorine is yellow colored and it is fairly abundant in nature, present mainly as insoluble fluorides. Chlorine is greenish yellow in color. Chlorine is present in seawater as sodium chloride. Bromine is red in color. Bromine is also present in seawater as bromides. This is the only liquid in group 17. Iodine is violet in color. Iodine is also present in the seawater as iodide. Astatine are solids. Electronic configuration. S orbitals of these elements are completely filled, that is, they contains 2 electrons, and group 17 elements contains 5 electrons in p orbitals. That is, only one electron is shorter to complete the p orbital. Physical properties of group 17. Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is the only liquid in this group. Iodine and astatine elements are solids. Boiling point and melting point increases as we move from top to bottom.